So, you've been posting videos, trying to grow, waiting for that one viral moment. But the truth is, growing a YouTube channel in 2025 is harder than ever. Thousands of creators give up before even hitting 1,000 subscribers. And reaching 10K, for most, that's just a dream. But what if I told you there's a shortcut, a real one? No bots, no fake subs, just pure, organic reach. Here's the secret. Over the last 3 years, I've built multiple YouTube channels with insanely high community post engagement. I'm talking millions of votes, real people, real activity. And then I discovered something crazy. When I create a simple poll and just add subscribe as one of the options, people actually subscribe. That's it. No begging, no clickbait. Just smart psychology that can massive reach. One post gave me 25,000 new subscribers. Yes, from a single poll. But here's the problem. If you try this from your small channel, no one will even see the post. You'll get 10 votes, maybe 20. That's it, because community post reach is earned, not given. And I've spent years building that. But now, you can leverage my reach. I'm offering paid community post promotions on my high-reach YouTube channels. That means your poll, your message, goes in front of thousands, instantly. Real people, real engagement, real subscribers, real visibility. And once your post gets attention, you can promote your videos, your socials, your product, anything. This is a paid service because I'm offering you results I've spent years building. So, if you're done waiting, if you're serious about growing fast, DM me now on Instagram or Telegram. Stop struggling. Start growing smart.